Exercise 10.2, question number 9. We are given that in the given figure, xy and x dash y dash, xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O, and another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. We have to prove that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Angle AOB is 90 degree. We have to prove. So here we will do one construction. We will join OC. Let us join OC and let us mark some angles here. Angle 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now since we are given that xy is parallel to x dash y dash, this means that POQ is a straight line. Because if xy and x dash y dash are parallel, so POQ is acting as a transversal. Therefore, this angle is 90, this angle is 90. So being co-interior angles, we can prove that these are the two parallel lines intersected by a transversal, and a transversal is always a straight line. So POQ is a straight line. Now, we will take these two triangles, these two, and similarly these two. So first we will prove these two triangles congruent. In triangle APO and triangle ACO, PO is equal to CO, both are radius. Angle P is equal to angle C, both 90 degree each. Because tangents at the point of contact are perpendicular to the radius. So if angle P and angle C are 90 degree, that means side opposite to angle 90, OA, is common in both, is acting as the hypotenuse. So AO is equal to AO is common hypotenuse. That means triangle APO is congruent to triangle ACO by RHS criteria. So we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because of CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Let this be equation number 1. Now with the same logic we can prove that triangle BCO and triangle BQO are also congruent. Similarly, triangle BCO congruent to triangle BQO by RHS criteria, same. So we can say that angle 3 is equal to angle 4. By CPCT. Let this be equation number 2. Now, since POQ is a line, straight line, that implies angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree due to linear pair of angles. That implies, now since we have proved that angle 1 is equal to 2, and what we have to prove is angle AOB is 90 degree and angle AOB is made by angle 2 and angle 3. So angle 1 and angle 4 will be replaced by angle 2 and angle 3 as they are equal. So angle 1 replaced by angle 2 plus angle 4 replaced by angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, and this we have done by equation number 1 and 2. So twice angle 2 plus twice angle 3 is equal to 180. So if we take out common 2 from here, angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. So twice angle AOB, angle 2 and angle 3 together are making angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 180 divided by 2. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. This we had to prove.